Welcome, avid underwater explorers, to our virtual dive into the world's oceans and rivers. Today, we embark on a mesmerizing journey to discover the most exotic and vibrant fish species that call these aquatic realms home. Get ready to marvel at their unique characteristics, striking colors, and fascinating behaviors. As we dive into the ocean, we'll encounter a multitude of fish species, each with its own distinct appearance and unique behavior. Take the mesmerizing clownfish, for example. With its ability to change colors in the blink of an eye, it plays a vital role in camouflage and mate selection. The colorful peacock bass, on the other hand, is a true spectacle with its cascading iridescence and elongated, streamlined body. Its dazzling dance moves are sure to catch your eye as you swim by. If we venture into the heart of the Amazon River, we'll encounter an entirely different fish world. Here, you'll find the amazingly bright and colorful peacock otterfish. With its iridescent scales and unique tail shape, this fish is a true marvel of the underwater realm. And let's not forget the rainbow trout, which is not only named after its vivid rainbow hues, but also because of its incredible ability to change color as it camouflages from predators. While exploring these magnificent fish species, you'll also learn about their incredible adaptations and fascinating behaviors. The clownfish, for instance, has the unique ability to release a cloud of water in its mouth to confuse and disorient its prey. The angelfish, with its angelic appearance and gentle nature, is known to attend its young ones' nests, feeding them and protecting them from predators. As we continue our virtual dive, we'll discover that these underwater wonders are not only a source of wonder and admiration, but also play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of their ecosystems. So, let's continue to explore, learn, and cherish these extraordinary fish species, for they are truly the jewelry of our planet's underwater realm.